There we go. Yep. That's not a bad fish, guys. All right, guys, we're on the water. Greg, is it with Dylan?
No.
Dalton. Anyways, guys, we're out here on the water. There's like 24 boats today, and I think we're number 22 to launch. So we are way at the bottom, and it's a no-wake lake. So every spot that we want to try to fish today is probably already going to be taken. Shut that pile of shit off. All right. We got a little while before the launch actually happens. Greg. See, I can't talk at all. Jeff's getting all his stuff out. I tied some different stuff on. Hopefully we have some luck today. It's another short 3-hour tournament, so we're just gonna get at it and see if we can do something. So stay tuned, guys. We're just looking to beat these guys right here. Good luck. All right, guys, stay tuned.
Boat 1 south, boat 2, boat 3, boat 4.
All right, guys, we're launching. It's a no wake, like I said, so there's not real big launch, but they're on boat 5 and we're 22, so it's gonna be a minute, but we're about to get at it, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're starting right here at the ramp. Just because we're 22 out of 24 boats, everybody's kind of already taken a bunch of the spots, so there's no reason for us to like haul ass out on the lake at this point. We're just gonna give this a shot out here. Starting with a crankbait. It's like a Fire Tiger crankbait. I think Jeff's throwing a frog up there to start with, see if maybe there's something hiding up here. It's about 85 degrees. Looks like water temp is 86 where we're at. So it's gonna be a bit of a struggle today, I believe. Hopefully we can get on something. Yeah, a lot of grass in here, guys. He picked it up and swam straight at me. I was like, wait a second. Well, guys.
Wait a minute.
Yeah. We got one. Ouch. He's tiny. But I landed a fish. And he only managed to hook me once. And at least this is the plus side of this tournament, is there's no length limit. Yeah, he stuck me good.
And you turned one of these.
I got one, yeah. I put one in the boat. I'm catching monsters out here.
Oh.
Did I catch it right on the money?
It went 0.77, 0.79. It's at 0.79.
0.79, guys. It's a beast, but we didn't blank. And I actually caught one this week. Now let's see if I can toss back in there and hook another one.
There we go.
All right. Well, guys, first one on the boat. Can't be too mad about it. Get him sent back. See if we can catch his big brother. Another one on the black and blue wacky. This time I'm running it with a weighted wacky worm hook. Managed to hit that one. We're gonna try that again. Really light bite, but caught him. That's all that matters. Wasn't a bluegill. At first I thought it was a bluegill as quickly as I ripped that son of a bitch out of the water. Well, guys, we've caught a couple fish. I don't know if we got those on video or not because I'm an idiot and I didn't turn the camera on, but we might have like 2 pounds between 2 fish, so we're trying. Jeff caught his on a frog. I got mine on a wacky worm. There's that cold wind coming in. 7:45, guys. We got an hour and 15 minutes. Oh yeah, I see a couple swirls right there. Well, the wind is definitely picking up. Blowing the storm in. a little dark over there, guys. Well, throwing a wacky rig in the wind like this, that ain't gonna be very productive. Wind has picked up. It's blowing hard now. Yeah. Jesus. Yeah. I'm gonna lose my hat if I'm not careful.
Take it out of the boat, kid.
Holy crap. Ain't no casting into the wind. Trying to stay turned around so you guys don't get that much wind on you, but it's all right. Do I have a fish? Yeah.
No.
Nope.
I'm at.
Just back here fighting weeds like fish as usual.
What an idiot!
All right, guys, we're gonna make a move. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. There we go. Oh yeah. That seems like a decent one. Holy shit, man. That could help us a lot. All right, fish number 3 in the boat. That looks at least a couple pounds. $2.89. $2.89. I can see it on this one.
Perfect.
All right, fish number 3 going back in the water, guys. See you later, buddy. Now let's hope his friends want to bite. Is he right on the bank?
Oh, like 3 foot out.
Well, I know I had the camera rolling for that one, guys. Let's hope I got the camera rolling for the other 2, but I really don't think I did. And they were tiny anyways. Well, yeah, of course. Can't complain with a half an hour left. Ooh, we just went over a brush pile. Looks like there's shit on top of it. There we go. Yep. That's not a bad fish, guys. That's not a bad one at all. Are we actually going to pull a limit in today?
Of course we are. Still got a half hour. 2:42.
Not bad.
Perfect.
Can you see it? All right, guys, there's fish number 4. I'll let him go right here. Get off me. All right.
Get off me, cow.
Hail to the yeah. Doing all right.
Hey, look at that. We got 2 for 2 now.
Oh yeah, 4 fish in the boat. Well, I'm stoked on that. Come on again.
It's a little guy.
It's a little guy, but every ounce counts out here, guys. He was hungry. A whopping like half pounder. Yep.
5.5. They ain't gonna help us.
You don't think so?
Nope. With the smallest one, 7.7.
Well, we only got 4 fish.
Oh yeah. Hey. Today.
Yeah. So this is the first time in our 3 tournaments together we've pulled in a limit.
Getting right. 5.5.
All right. Fish number 5 going back in the water. Let's see if we can hook up with some bigger ones now. I am stoked that we've got a full bag today, guys. Super happy about that. He was right up there. Get one. That looks a little bit bigger than mine, maybe. 0.86.
Getting right, bud.
Well, we called one.
Yeah.
It's gonna be real hard to see that.
0.86.
All right, fish number 6. We were able to call my little guy. See if we can get another one, guys. I caught a, what, 0.55?
That's what our first ones were 0.5, 0.8, 0.75.
Yeah.
Then we changed them all out.
You all over a pound at least?
Oh yeah.
What are you at? 9 something. 9 something.
Well, I feel like it's going to be pretty low weight.
I don't think so. I bet you the big ones that were out on the points.
Think so?
Oh yeah. I'm sure they got some big ones.
Well,
Hell, Dale.
we tried. All right, guys, we're getting off the water. I got to go get the truck so we can get out of here. It's going to take a little while, but 8:57, tourney ends at 9. We managed to put 5 fish in the boat. Seems like some people had some decent luck and some people did not get much. So we're going to see what the weigh-in is and see how we do go. Stay tuned, guys.
Let's just get this thing rolling. We only had 2 blanks today, a couple 1 fishers, 2 fishers. Wasn't too bad for 24 boats on a pretty tiny ass water. So good job, guys. Way to show up. Boat 21, Ryan and Ben had total of 1289. They beat boat 4 by 0.02.
Damn.
Wow. 2.84, 2.40, 2.76, 2.60, and 2.29. Well done, guys. Thank you. Nice fish. Second place. I believe that's an $85 paycheck. I'll look here in just a minute. Boat 19, Josh and Austin, 5.27, 3.86, 1.98, 1.85, 1.68 for 1464. And that would be a 120, and I somewhere close to like 185 for second. And first place, last definitely not least, boat 10, Ben and Cole, 2.95, 3.97, 2.54, 3.0 even, 2.87 for 1533. First place, I'll get you a total because it's like
Congrats, guys.
380, 195, 85, and 120 are your totals. Well done, guys. We'll get your money out to you today as long as you don't have an issue. 527, and that was second place. Got it. Thank you guys for coming out. Appreciate it. Well done, guys.
Good job, buddy. Well, guys, I don't know how well you'll be able to see it. It started raining as they were calling out the weights and stuff. Milliken won again. I wasn't surprised. I don't exactly know what we placed yet, but I'll put that in the video before the video comes out. We kind of struggled, but we managed to catch a limit. I think we pulled 6 total in the boat.
6 or 7, yeah.
So I don't know what our total weight was. Did you?
948 or 848.
Not very big. I mean, there was a 5-pounder was the big fish tonight. So either way, we had a good time. We caught a limit. That's the first time that we've had a limit together fishing a tournament. So I'm not at all mad about that. But hopefully we can do better at the next one. It's in a couple weeks, right? Yeah, I think it's a 2 week. August 12th. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully I got those first 2 fish on camera. If not, It's kind of a bummer, but you'll see the last few anyways. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next adventure. I'll see you in a bit.